Okay, we've got the logic. We understand how this thing's going to work. But now I want you to think about when we're dealing with this robot, it doesn't always do what you want it to do. You think it's going to stop within 5 inches. It doesn't always stop quite within 5 inches because it's moving. It's inertia and all that. When you say turn left 90 or turn right 90, it doesn't really work. So let's put in some variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here, right under here, and start adding some variables. Okay, so what we do is here they are. We're going to one called check distance, and that will be our 3 inches, and the next one will be look distance, and this looks at the walls. The check distance is how close we come to the walls. The look distance will be how far the wall's away. It will probably be within 6 inches, but again, you're going to have to adjust this once you see the maze and so forth. And then we're going to do another one called back distance. And this is -2. So if we show up within 3 inches of the wall and stop there, and we back up 2, then we'll be out of the range, and when the thing's going through the loop, it's not going to notice that the wall's there. Then let's also do degree turn. I'm sorry, degree right turn. We'll just do R turn equals 90 for now. And we'll do degree left turn equals -90. And we'll also have a degree to turn around. Degree turnaround equals 180. Now what's going to happen is you're going to modify those, I guarantee. That you'll modify them to make the thing work properly. So okay, so we've done that. Now it's time to build some of these functions. And the first one is the look left. Okay, how are we going to do look left? So let's go back here. We've got backup. And in fact, let's change backup to, let's look up here. Where's the one about drive inches? Okay, let's do backup this way. Let's do drive. Actually, I can probably do a tab, and that should jump it here. Doesn't work. Drive inches. And we will have, what did we use that? Set that constant called back distance, right? Okay, let's do that. And what we'll then with this one, we don't really need the sleep anymore, and we also really don't need the stop, but we can still leave the stop in here because this function drive inches drives and then it stops. So this means drive inches, and the back distance it'll be negative, so it will mean it will go backwards, and we really don't need the stop. So we're in pretty good shape here. Okay, so what's next? Well, the next one will be how do we look left and look right. So let's do the look left one. So I will do here .def look right. That's left. No, the first one we'll do is left, left. And we have to put the colon after it. And then we should stop in here. By the way, if these colors don't appear, then there's something wrong with your typing. But as soon as you put, because these are the names of functions, and let's see how we'll do that. What's the first thing we will do? Well, we need to have the robot turn left, so we'll do g dot turn degrees the left one, so we'll do D, what do we have? Degrees, L, turn. And we then look and see if we're there and see if everything's close. If D dot read inches is less than look distance, and again we have to have a little colon there, and then we'll get our another space. We'll say the test equals true. Now what's test? Test is just the local variable I'm going to use, and I'll show you what's why I'm doing it this way. And we have to do else with a colon, and then I'll say test equals false. And then when we come out here, we have to return test. So we return. Okay, now this is pretty important because this is the whole thing with the way Python functions work. Now, look left is going to be true or false. And what we do is we turn left 90 degrees, and we look to see if in fact this the sensor is reading a distance. It'll be reading something, but is it going to be less than the 6 inches, which is what we set this variable to? And if it is, the test is true, and we jump to the end. Otherwise, which is what else means, the test will be false, and we return test, and that means when we go down here and look at this function, is left wall equal look left, this then will be true or false. And that's how you utilize functions. This function, when you set something equal here, the function has to return something. Well, what it's returning is this internal variable test, and we could call it X, we could call it Y, we could call it anything. But make sure you understand that and listen to this carefully. And then I think what I'd like for you to do is, before you do the next video, is do the look right function. It should look almost exactly the same. See if you can't do that on your own.